Hello friends, welcome in this new video. In this video, we are going to learn easiest English grammar topic, that is frame verbal question. Friends, what is mean by verbal question? Verbal question means yes no type question. When we ask verbal question, there is no need of giving detailed answer. When verbal question is asked, we can give answer in yes or no. What is the definition of verbal question? The question begins with helping verb is called verbal question. Friends, helping verb means to be forms. There are 19 helping verbs in English. These are am, is, are, was, were, will, shall, would, should, can, could, may, might, do, does, did, have, has, had. Friends, let's see the formula of verbal question. Helping verb plus subject plus main verb plus remaining part of the sentence plus question mark. How to do verbal question? Let's see some rules. First, read the sentence carefully. Then find out helping verb in the given sentence. Third, if there is helping verb in the sentence, write helping verb at the beginning. Then copy subject after helping verb. Then copy remaining part of the sentence and at last give question mark. Let's see the examples. He is a very mannered man. In this sentence, is a helping verb. When we frame verbal question, we take helping verb at first, then subject, and then remaining part of the sentence. Now, what will be the answer? Is he a very mannered man? Question mark. Second example, Rahul can play chess. Can Rahul play chess? Question mark. Next example, there are lovely flowers in the garden. And answer is, are there lovely flowers in the garden? Next, she will win the match. Answer, will she win the match? Friends, when there is helping verb in the sentence, it is quite easy to frame verbal question. But if there is no helping verb in the given sentence, what to do? If there is no helping verb in the sentence, then see the main verb. If the main verb is V1, then use do as a helping verb. If the main verb is V2, then use did. And if there is no helping verb and the main verb is yes, then use does. When there is V1 in the given sentence, we use do. When we use do, we should write verb as it is. Examples, we study in the hall. In this sentence, there is V1. So, we are going to use do. Do we study in the hall? Second sentence, people work in the farm. Do people work in the farm? Third sentence, girls make wreath of flowers. In this sentence, there is V1. So, we are going to use do. Do girls make wreath of flowers? Friends, when there is yes in the given sentence, we use does. After using does, we should write V1 of the given verb. Examples: she takes new bag. In this sentence, there is VSES. So, we are going to use does. Does she take new bag? Second example, he brings cute puppy. Here, there is VSES in the sentence. So, we are going to use does. Does he bring cute puppy? When there is V2 in the given sentence, we use did. After using did, we should write V1 of the given verb. Examples: Kiran kicked the ball into the net. In this sentence, there is kicked. This is V2. So, we are going to use did. Did Kiran kick the ball into the net? Second sentence, Geeta gave nice speech. Gave is V2. So, we are going to use did. Did Geeta give nice speech? Friends, here are some examples for your practice. Well friends, I hope you have understood this topic. I will be back with a new lesson. Till then, take care and goodbye.